Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So students, I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. So if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe it and press the bell icon to receive the latest notifications of my videos. And if you find it useful after watching this video, please do like it and share your comments with me in the comment section. So students, in the previous class, we have discussed the part 1 and part 2 of our topic. Now we have here the become part 3rd of lecture 1, that is for class 10th mathematics. So students, if I have this different solids, what is this? Yes, it is a cylinder. What is the shape of this solid? Yes, it is a sphere. Okay, and what is the shape of this? Yes, it is a hemisphere. So students, now I have made a new solid by combining all these three solids. Now tell me that in order to know that how much paper will I require to cover this solid, what will I need to find out? Yes, I will need to find out the total surface area of these solids. So students, let us discuss today about the problem based on the surface area of, yes, combination of solids. I just now asked you that how much paper will I require not to cover it. You told me, ma'am, we will calculate the total surface area of this whole solid. So let us do a problem related to it. So what is visible at your screen? Yes, it looks like a pencil, isn't it? Yes. So we all see that pencil has a sharpened edge at what place, and also it has a cylindrical in between, and in the back what we have? Yes, we have an eraser of that pencil. So consider this as a solid and I need to cover this with the help of a sheet for my activity. So help me out in finding out the total surface area of it. Okay, let me give you the dimensions also, because without dimensions we can't find it out. Yes. So students, now here see what dimensions we have for what is the radius. Yes, after seeing from there you can tell me what is the radius. Yes, it will be 2 centimeter. And what will be the height of this cylindrical portion? Yes, it is given, ma'am, 8 centimeter. And what is the height of this total pencil or total figure, you can say? Yes, it is 14 centimeter. So now what you have to do is that you have to find out the total surface area of this given figure. So how we will proceed? Yes, as previously we did the adding the surface areas of different solids. So now here we will do the problem based on adding the more than two solids. So first we can calculate that we have diameter, so we can get the height. So what you can say that we have the radius of cone, the cylindrical and hemisphere. Will the radius be same? Yes, obviously, because you can see that for this conical portion, it will be 2. For this cylindrical portion, radius will be 2. And for this hemispherical portion, also radius will be 2. So yes, in this way, we can have the radius of hemisphere, cylinder and core as 2. So I can write over here that radius is 2 centimeter for all these three different solids. So okay, what are the names of these three different solids? Yes, a cone, a cylinder and a hemisphere. Very good, students. Now tell me the formula of curved surface area of hemisphere. We will begin with finding out the curved surface area of hemisphere. Yes, it is 2 pi r square. Curved surface area of hemisphere. Now you have to simply put the value of r and find out the curved surface area of hemisphere. So what will it come out to be? Yes, we can just simply do it like this. So we can say that 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 multiplied by 22 will come out to be 176 by 7. So I hope you all are getting this answer. Yes. So it is 176 by 7 centimeter square. So students, units is very important in mathematics. Without units, the answer will be wrong. You will not be able to calculate the dimension. So please write the units as well. Now we will calculate the curved surface area for another solid, for cylinder. So its formula is 2 pi RH. So we have done with the curved surface area of this hemispherical portion. Now we will calculate curved surface area of, yes, cylinder. And what is the formula? It's written on your screen that it is 2 pi RH. So we can put up the values of, what will be the value of R? Yes, it is 2. And what is the height of this cylinder? Yes, it is given 8. So after calculating, you will get some answer. Now do let me know your answers in the chat box. Yes, it is coming out to be 704 by 7 centimeter square. So separately noted down that we have the curved surface area of hemisphere with us, and now we have the curved surface area of cylinder also with us. Let's move to, so what solid shape are we remaining with now? We are done with this hemispherical portion. We are done with cylindrical portion. We are left with this conical to find out. So let's now find out the curved surface area of cone. So students, tell me that do we have everything for the curved surface area of cone? Its formula is pi RL. So have we already calculated the value of slant height? No, right? So first of all, we need to calculate the slant height of the conical portion. So its form value will be under root of r square plus h square. So simply you can put up the values on the side. You can calculate. It will be 2 square plus, what it will be its height? Yes, it will be the 4 square, because we have already seen that total height of this figure is 14 and we can subtract the other one. So we will get the 4 square. So here in this way you can calculate the slant height also. Now you can put up the values of R and L in this formula. Yes. So what is the value of pi? 22 by 7, R 2 and L is 4.472. Very good students. Now tell me, have you find out the curved surface area of cone? Okay, just take few seconds or minutes and let me know the answer. Have you got it? Yes, okay. So it will come out to be 196.768 by 7. So students, do perform these calculations very, minutely and carefully, because we need to take care of the decimals as well. Now we are left with the adding of all these curved surface areas which we have got. So yes, we have calculated for this conical portion also now. So what we will do? We will add the curved surface areas of these three different solids. Okay. And simply tell me the answer. What are you getting after adding all the surface areas? Okay. Take your time. Just pause the video and do let me know. You do your calculations and I will tell the answer now. Yes, it is coming out to be 153.824. So if you are getting this answer, you are absolutely correct, students. So you have understood the topic, that how we need to find out the total surface area of combination of solids, isn't it? Yes. Okay, so what are you able to see at your screen? Yes, you will say, ma'am, it looks like a rocket to us. Yes. So now, as we have already discussed the different solids, now tell me, this rocket is made up of what combinations of different solids? Okay, first one you are saying, ma'am, we can see a cylinder in it. Yes, other? Yes, you can also see cones also. And what else are you able to see? Which are the different solids? Yes, ma'am, hemispheres also we can see at the bottom of this rocket. And yes, you see we have a cube also in the center. We have these cubes also. So students, you can see that if we have to make rockets, people have to make rockets, so there they can use the concept of the covering the total surface areas of these separate solids in order to find out the whole surface area of this rocket. Okay, if they have to cover it with the sheets and all, so there they use this concept. Now you can also think of some other daily life applications of this. Yes, you will say, ma'am, if we have to wrap a gift for my friend, then there you will need to find out the surface areas of different solids which you have in this that box, and then you will calculate it and find it out and get the shopkeeper to ask that much amount of sheet. Very good. Now students, here it's your turn to answer it as true or false. If a cylinder is covered by two hemispheres, so okay, see we have a cylinder over here. It's saying that it is covered by two hemispheres shaped of equal shape. So I can cover one like this and other like this. So now the total surface area of this new object will be 2 pi rh plus 4 pi r square. Is it true or false? Yes. So in order to find out that, you will add the curved surface area of hemispheres and the cylinder. So curved surface area of cylinder is, yes, it is 2 pi rh. And curved surface area of hemisphere, it is 2 pi r square. So we have now two hemispheres with us. So in order to find out the total surface area, we can add 2 pi rh plus 2 times 2 pi r square. So yes, now if you will be able to say it is true or false, so definitely it is true. Very good students. So let's recall that what have we did in our this lesson of chapter 13. We have learned about the surface areas of combination of solids and discussed the problems based on surface areas of combination of solids. Okay, now here's one question in the recapitulation, that we have two cubes each of side 4 centimeter joined end to end. So you can say that one cube I'm here having. So similarly I can take another cube also. So do you think that we will be forming with a cuboid? Yes, we will be getting a cuboid after joining these two cubes. Very good students. Now, what will be the length of this cuboid? Yes, it will be 4 plus 4, which will be 8 centimeter. And what is the breadth of this cuboid? Yes, because we are given that 4 centimeter is the edge of this cube. And what will be the height? Yes, it will also be 4 centimeter. So now students, you have to calculate the surface area of this resulting cuboid. So do it and let me know. Okay, so what is the formula of total surface area of cuboid? Yes, it is 2i's of LB plus BH plus HL. We can put up the values over here. Length was 8 multiplied by 4. Breadth and height was 4. So 4 multiplied by 4, and height and length was 4 multiplied by 8. So students, in this way you can calculate the answer of it. And then do let me know in the chat box. Okay, so here also one complete the table that the surface areas of these two different solids will be what? So first one will be, yes, it will be the sum of the surface areas of this cube and this hemisphere. And for the second, yes, it will be the curved surface areas of this sphere and the cylindrical portion. We will add it and we will come to know. So very good students. Now the homework time. So here I have two questions for you as in homework. First one is that a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm and the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm, and find its surface area. And similarly students, you have to do this question also, second one. And here's one small activity which you will do. You have to collect some waste materials which are there at your homes. We might have some waste materials at our homes which we often do not use. So now use them to make a small decorative model including different solid shapes, as if I've shown you a cylinder, a cube and a sphere and cuboid. So you can collect them and make a small decorative model, and after it measure the dimensions of that solid and find out the total surface area. Okay, so I hope you have got what is the homework for you. Very good students. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you will do best in your futures, and please like and subscribe to my channel if you are new to it.